Hello, my name is Lauren Curry, and I'd like to welcome you to my professional portfolio showcase for the Masters of Education at Northeastern University. My hope is that my portfolio presents a holistic and intentional viewpoint of who I am as an educator and what I bring. I thought that my skill set came through most vividly in my strengths as a system and operations thinker, culturally responsive educator, and instructional designer. Each strength directly connects to both the Masters of Education and Instructional Design concentration areas, showing a true fit between my work, education, and personal goals. One such example is through the instructional designer strength, where an idea was born for a project for class out of a system I wanted to set up for the Massachusetts Promise Fellowship. Through this project, I developed an online module for fellows to access their NPF benefits. Overall, I want my portfolio to feel passionate and warm. I want viewers to gain a sense of my passion for education, equity, and access, and how I am utilizing these skills I have to live out these values. Through this program, I have grown tremendously in operations and project management, as well as instructional design skills. I have also had a platform to continue growing my social justice knowledge. All skills I intend to take forward in either a nonprofit or education-based career. As I made my design decisions, I wanted my portfolio to be professional yet personal, which is why in my About Me section I include images of people and experiences that are important to me. I also considered the viewer's ease of navigation and understanding the various systems that I wanted to showcase. An example of this can be seen in the System and Operations Thinker screenshot, where I include a video walking viewers through our recruitment and onboarding process. To tie the portfolio together, I include a short segment of my resume, which includes volunteer experience and recent work experience. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to review my portfolio and encourage you to connect with me using the contact link at the bottom so that we can continue to chat about ideas and connect. Thanks again.